Apple might have just confirmed the biggest Siri update in years and barely anyone noticed. What's going on? What's going on? This is Xkaii Tech, and today we are looking at something huge. SIRI 2.0 might actually be happening. Apple quietly dropped clues in the latest update, and we're reacting to everything that the community has discovered so far. Before we get into this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, and let's dive in.
Hey guys, so finally it is now confirmed that the next version of Siri is right on track to launch early next year. So listen to this.
Oh, next year. Okay, so next year is literally in like 2 months. We're almost here. We're almost next year. This is really exciting. Okay, come on. And also at the same time, why did we update Siri this entire time? Why are we getting an update now? We should have been like, all right.
Apple CEO Tim Cook says the revamped version of Siri is on track to launch next year, and I quote, "We're also excited for a more personalized Siri. We are making good progress on it, and as we've shared, we expect to release it next year." So yes, finally the next version of
That's awesome. So the main guy is finally letting us. I'm kind of curious, what is going to be happening with this?
Siri will soon be coming to the iPhone. In today's video, we're going to talk about when we can expect this new Siri, what are some of the new features and capabilities, and what's powering the next generation of Siri. So
right, because I heard about this Apple Intelligence. I'm going to be making a video about that so I can learn more about Apple Intelligence, because I have no clue what that is. But yeah, I feel like it's probably going to pair with Siri, the new Siri. They should probably call it something else. A new name. I don't know.
Let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, according to this latest report from Bloomberg, it looks like what's going to be powering the next version of Siri is Google's very own Gemini. Yes,
No way. Gemini's gonna be powering Google? Siri? Wait, what? Wait. Google, Gemini. Wait, like the pic? I'm confused. Why is Google going to be powering Siri? I thought Siri was going to be like its own. I mean, okay. Connect everyone to the same network. I guess that makes sense. Connect the world.
appears that Apple will be paying approximately $1 billion per year for a 1.2 trillion parameter.
Oh my God. That's insane. They're going to be paying $1 billion per year?
Artificial intelligent model that was developed by Google, and this should power the next version of Siri on the.
That's insane. So wait, how is this gonna translate to like everything else on Google, like YouTube, right? Does that mean that 1 billion now is gonna go to this instead of like YouTube creators or anything that YouTube is connected to paying people? Where are they getting this $1 billion from? And how are they gonna pay for it for a year, every single year? That's wild.
The iPhone. Now, with this first major update, there's going to be three main focus. Number one is personal contacts. This will allow Siri to learn from your interactions to better.
Oh, that's cool. Actually, I really like that. Because I feel like the more that it learns my patterns and how I talk, how I text and everything, eventually it can just take it over for me and be like, hey, today's my day off. Siri, if I get text messages, respond to me. Give me notes about it later.
Understand and complete tasks using personal data like emails, messages, and files. On-screen awareness is also one of the focus, and this will allow Siri to be able to understand what's on your screen and perform actions in relations to what you're currently viewing. And third, deeper app integration. This will give Siri the ability to perform tasks across different applications.
See, that's come on. This is what I've been talking about. Like, there's so many apps and programs that we have to use to like I want to share a video on all the social media platforms that I have, right? I have to use like let's say I have one video, but I want it to go to multiple things, right? I'll have to use like some other software or platform for that to happen. And then it has to all connect to my accounts and all of that. But if Siri can do this, and all I need to do is just have Siri, and I make my post video or whatever, and I say, Siri, post this on all my social media platforms with their respected formatting of like text and all that. Yo, yeah.
And this will allow the assistant to actually get things done for you. Now, all these new capabilities in the first major update to Siri will most likely launch with Apple's iOS 26.4. Now,
oh my God, I just did 26.2 and we're already gonna be updated to 26.4. That's insane. That is jumping.
other 0.4 updates typically release around the March or April timeframe, so early next year is when Apple is set to be launching the next revamped version of Siri, again with iOS 26.4 or 26.5, March or April 2026. Now,
Yo, that's actually like, that's not far away. That's so close. Like we're almost there.
a second major update is set to be coming to Siri next year, but that is with iOS 27, according to some of the latest report.
iOS 27. Here we're getting a leak of iOS 27. What are they even, like, what is even next?
Mark Gurman mentions there's 3 additional major changes that are currently planned for iOS 27 and the next update to Siri. Number 1 is a visual redesign. Now, we're not exactly sure.
Whatever the animation is, that looks so cool.
Siri did go through a visual redesign recently. If you have an Apple Intelligent device, you press on the side button, you now have the Siri UI wrapping around your display, which is
Oh, that's so cool. I really like that. I feel like that's a lot better. It's more immersive. It really makes you feel like, okay, now I'm talking to the AI on my phone. And like when it talks, it like pulsates and stuff. That's awesome. Hell yeah.
a nice visual upgrade, but Mark Gurman mentions that a new visual redesign is planned for iOS 27. Apple is also, according to this report, working on a new AI-powered search tool for Apple Intelligence with iOS 27. We'll have to wait and see. And
I'm kind of curious. AI powered search tool? Would that be like how Google has their new AI thing? The AI search tool in Google?
Number 3, it appears that Apple is working on a health agent with Apple Intelligence integration for the health application to help you manage your health directly on iPhone.
That's actually really cool. I hope you can like check your like your heart rate and your blood pressure and all that, and like let you know if like, ooh, you're about to have a heart attack or something. Like that would be actually really clutch if it could do something like that.
So 3 additional capabilities are set to be worked on right now for the future of Siri and iOS 27. And I'm for one super excited. I've been waiting for a Siri revamp.
Same. Like it's been such a long time that we haven't gotten an update on Siri, but about time, you know? About time. Congratulations, Siri. You are getting a revamp.
For so long, and now it looks like it's finally happened. Next year is going to be a major update to Siri, a major year for Siri as well on the iPhone. Fingers crossed. Let me know what you think about the news. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Oh man, you know what? I am actually super excited about this, and just like about time, you know, about time that we updated Siri, because like we had the same lady for the longest time, and now we're gonna have Siri that's also AI powered. That's very, very interesting. I'm kind of looking forward to that. So the fact that they're already talking about iOS 27 is insane, and that's going to be coming next year. That's like, wow, we're really just like stepping into the forward like right away, no hesitation. And in light of that, let's get into a Xkaii Tech upgrade. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a Xkaii Tech upgrade, and in this upgrade we are going to be upgrading the latest and brand new upcoming SIRI 2.0, which is still mind-boggling to me that we are finally getting a new Siri, but here we go. So they're gonna say the Siri is gonna be able to have some brain power, some AI brain power, and will be able to access a lot of parts of your phone. So now here is my idea. idea for Siri, and I would really love this. And I'm pretty sure creators and anyone that's in the creative industry would absolutely love this. Come closer. If Siri can do this for us, you will absolutely change the game. Now, I'm a creator. I have multiple accounts where I post my content. What I would love is for this. I would love it so that when I put or input my video, because I usually record with my camera, so that way I get like the nice cinematic looks. I import my video into my phone. I have YouTube, I have TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat. And I want this video to go to all 4 of them at the same time. What I would love to see is have a Siri section where it's called like a social media section, right? Where it opens up and then all it shows you is your videos, which one you want to post. So you select that. And then from then on, your accounts are already connected. All 4 of your accounts are connected. It's going to show all 4 platforms and where you respectfully put your descriptions and all the good stuff. And then from then on, all you need to do is hit post one time and the video gets sent to all 4 platforms. You already put your descriptions respectfully how they should go in on each platform. This should also have AI in it so that it can help you arrange your description properly, make it so it's SEO optimized automatically for you. All you have to do is just tell it what your title is and what your video is about, and it'll give you a nice description. Or you can like tell it what your video is about and it'll give you a good description. Or a better step, it reads your entire video, sees and what your video is about, and then gives you a perfect title, SEO, and description for that. Now, I know I might be saying too much, but just think about that. If your phone can do that for you and then all you do is just post your video and it goes, wouldn't that make life a lot easier? It's already posted to all 4 platforms that you respectfully post to, like normal. But now, you're getting help from your AI phone. Okay, that's enough. I can't say anymore. There's too many ideas. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.